you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. She got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to a makeup tutorial. But now this tutorial is sponsored by Nova Beauty, y'all. So y'all know I'm gonna give y'all a lip combo, okay? Using Nova Beauty lipsticks, lip gloss, and lip liners, okay? But y'all gotta tune in to see how I did this look. It's gorgeous, and the lip set it off, okay? So I don't want to keep y'all long in the intro, so if y'all want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. All right, y'all, so I already did my brows, which as far as cleaned them up like some days ago. I might still need to clean something up, but honestly it looks like I don't, and I'm not trying to be all the okay. So I'm gonna take my 24-hour brow setter from Benefit, y'all, and I changed my light setting because I feel like my videos were too bright, giving washed out, so I changed my lights to like kind of yellow, and then we're going to press this in with some powder, and I'm gonna come right back. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and I filled in my brows. Well, I gelled down my brows, and now I'm about to powder my brows. I'm going to take my brow pencil from my line, and I'm going to basically just fill in my brows. Normally when you fill in your brows, if you have missing areas, make sure you fill those in too, just basically to get the desired shape that you want. So I'm going to take 10 Deep Sin by itself, and I'm just going to conceal. And we're going to pat this out. Just going to pat, 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 pat.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you, don't take me for granted. Yeah. If I was one thing you could manage, yeah. Open with me, oh, it could be honest. Close to the beat, oh, giving me silence. Promise that you won't let me fall. Holding me tight, loving me right, giving me life all night. You could be telling me lies, making me cry, missing my time the whole time. So just be careful what you take for granted, yeah. 'Cause with me, know you could do damage. You could do damage. You could do damage, yeah. Worry about it, I'm putting pressure. You'll only hurt me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. Go on and on. If you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah.
Y'all, Carisha cut up. She cut up, y'all. I'm going to my favorite palette. I love this palette. Y'all, I'm gonna put this in my on my lid. What's in my on my lid, y'all? Just one color, okay? Murphy 505 brush, y'all. That color right there. Okay. This is the liner. And I'm gonna start from the inner corner and I'm gonna get on out. I said I want to add glitter. I'm going to take this glitter right here, Flash glue, and we're going to apply this. Tap this. In one place. I'm going to scatter this around because it's going to look real stupid in one place. So what you want to do is you want to scatter this gorgeous, this glitter around. Here, go ahead and put some magic cream on my face. I'm going to take some Power Grip. Try to use a bare minimum just stick. And I'm going to draw a line right here. Flicker up. So now I'm about to go get my foundation. I'll take this brush. And I'm going to carve out my cheekbones. Like concealer almost. Minimum foundation as I can in those areas that I need it in. So I'm going to take 10 deep sand for the inner corner.
If you got it, it ain't a question. Oh, it ain't no one for guessing. So I'm more than emotionally invested. Showing
Take deep. I'm gonna put there.
I'm putting pressure. You'll only for me if I let you. No, we ain't doing this just for pleasure. Either let me or I'm a lesson. No, if you want me, don't take me for granted. Yeah, if I'm worth more than you could manage, baby. Oh, you're falling for me. Oh, baby, I'm calling. Oh, we could be whatever you want, call it.
I'm gonna take this foundation brush. And I'm going to kind of blend this out. Blend this out. I like to put this all in like my shadow area. So just in here. I'm not gonna add any like extra highlight. Y'all know I be doing the most when it comes to highlight. I'm not gonna add any extra highlight. We're gonna go into light 20. This powder. Take deep peach, y'all, and I'm gonna carve my cheeks out. Like so. This, I think this was for the face, honestly. So I'm gonna take this. It's Dior powder. And then now we're gonna bronze. I had to like kind of get that off. Bronze with 460. It's 460. And we're gonna take this. We're gonna take this up. Okay, so that's what we're doing. Take this up. I take my blush palette all the time, y'all. So I'm gonna take this Juvia's Place blush and add those colors. And I'm gonna go around this because I don't want it to be just stuck. So we're gonna round this out. Alright, so now for under eye, what I want to do is I'm gonna take this pink, I'm thinking, and white. I'm gonna add white to make a light pink. So I mix those two together and I got the color. I'm gonna add this color out of the palette right here. That color. And keep stand up. Don't go low because you're gonna go too low. I did go ahead and do some mascara on my lower lash lines off camera. Y'all know I had to do a makeup tutorial combining with Nova Beauty lipstick, y'all. Let's jump into it. I had to do pink because I just like felt like they had the perfect pink in here. Okay, so we're gonna dive into it. I'm gonna find some colors out of here for my lip combo, and I'm gonna come back. The two lippies, I did go ahead and start filling in a little bit. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use these liners. But first I'm going to start off by using Brown 0 number 2. BBGRL, y'all. In the last video, oh, I just love the combination. It's so pretty. So freaking pretty. This is so pretty. Okay, and then to like kind of deepen it with the hotter pink, I'm going to use Magenta, y'all. I mean, this is not a hotter pink, but it's like a secret color. I'm ombreing my lip. That is so pretty. I say snap, it snap. So I'm gonna put this gloss in the middle. This is called Period in the middle. Don't say true. So for the last thing, I do want to add THICC, which is a clear, onto my cupid's bow. And only to my cupid's bow. I'm not going to even add it like down here. I'm just not like it. That is so gorgeous. Look at that lip. This is the lip. That Fashion Nova lip, that Magenta. I used all of these to achieve this lip combo, y'all. So Brown number 2, Magenta number 1, and I used Period and THICC lip gloss to achieve this look. Oh, and I also used BBGRL for the center part of my lips as well too. So I'm gonna come back and add my highlight. I'm about to dust this powder right off. Hey y'all, so for highlighter on the nose, I'm gonna take Conceited from Artist Couture. I don't want a lot because last time I did it, like I said, I don't know what happened, but okay, yes. Do y'all see that? Okay, I'm done. So I'm about to go get my hair curled, and I'm gonna come back with the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to go click the link down in the description bar below to go check out Nova Beauty. They have a makeup line now, y'all. Like, they got everything. I got me a PR box and it's full of lippies, but I think they also have eyeshadow, liners, eyebrow pencils, etc. y'all. They got the whole line, the whole shebang. So go ahead and check them out. Okay, you would not be like, oh my god, no, I'm off the site. No, you're gonna stay on that site. You're gonna be on there all night looking for products to put in that cart. So go ahead and check them out. And yeah, I hope that y'all like this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, comment, rate, and subscribe, and let me know if y'all like these lippies, because I'm definitely gonna be using them more in my tutorials, okay? Because these lips are insane. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial.